And welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you hint that how much I had to tight more this my oil filter when I have tied that using my fingers. Okay, and really this final tight for oil filter firstly be used that by my fingers, and after that I have to rotate that almost one turn, and now I have excellent pencil, but you should also purchase solid marker from Amazon, and now I do in here marking, because this rotation is in that way. I do in here small arrow in this area and also in here, and now I have to rotate this arrow almost in here, that area, in this direction, like in almost one turn, but not so much, like 75%. Okay, and then I take my tool that I can rotate